In 1 week's time, I fly from the UK to the Philippines, and I'm going to try and change my life when I'm out there. The first thing I need to do is empty this shed so that I can get all the stuff in my car into it. Previously, I was a kids entertainer, so I've got a lot of stuff that I need to sort out. Then I've got to fill up my car with all of the kids party boxes that I have and take it all the way back to Essex. That is a long journey and a half, so I'm going to need the car. I've then also got to sort out my pets. I own 2 rats, Nibbles and Stormzy. They're going to be staying with my mates. They're going to look after them whilst I'm away. And then lastly, I have to sell my car. But first, I'll have to get it cleaned, MOT'd, making sure it's all tip-top shape, ready for the next new owner. This weekend has been the first weekend that I've had off, basically, since before I have to leave.
I have to get the speakers up.
Oh, I can carry them in my hands.
Good job.
Yeah, I'll do that every weekend.
Really? I can't even touch it.
So the first things first, for this weekend, I've got to take my rat to their new home. My friends are looking after them while I'm away, but it means I have to clear out my car. In my car previously, I've had all of my kids' parties, all the equipment and stuff in there. So I'm emptying the car now, and I'm gonna put them into the shed and check what it's like. Nan's helped me, bless her. She's 80 years old and still got the strength of Hulk over here. So this is the end of the garden. It's quite a long garden, actually. The house is over there. There comes Nan with the suitcase, nice. And this is what we've got to work with. Not a lot of space, but hopefully it'll all fit in, because it's not too much stuff. It always feels a lot worse when it's in your car, I guess, but right now, I think this is gonna be okay. Fingers crossed. You going on holiday, Nanny?
My attempt at help.
No, it's good, yeah, that's fine.
All I can do, I'm afraid.
Okay. Can I really remove this compost stuff? Put this compost somewhere else?
You can get it out.
Oh my God. Ooh, spiders. This is Nan's lovely garden, like literally. Growing up here as a kid was honestly the best thing ever. But on to new chapters, I guess. So strong. I actually can't believe I used to like move all of my stuff every single weekend. 4 times a weekend I'd take that stuff in, out, my car. God, when I started this job, like literally everything would fit in there, including all the boxes that I needed to take to parties. Oh, it's crazy. How much it all changed. Now I pay for storage. Oh God, big spider web went in my head. Last, we need this. Go on, Nan. There she is. Yeah. Oh, that'll do. So the next thing we've got to do is clean my rats. I say clean them. I've got to clean all of their bits and bobs inside their cage. I'll show you where the rats are now. They're currently downstairs with Nan, outside, getting a bit of fresh air. They are in their box, so they can't go anywhere. This is very sad though. I'm going to miss them so much. Here they are. This is Stormzy and this is Nibbles. He was originally called Storm and then it turned into Stormy and now it's Stormzy. And here's Nibbles, because the first time I bought him, he bit my finger. They're very sweet, honestly. If you don't like rats, change that. They're so lovely, honestly. Who has an exercise bike in their bathroom, by the way? Is that just me or not that I ever use it? Okay, so their first thing I'm gonna wash. This is where their litter tray goes. Not that they use it much. Pet spray. Spray that all over there and hopefully that'll do the trick. Nice and clean. Next thing, we've got this. Oh, how do I get that off? There you go. Good, isn't it? The next thing is really grubby. Hello?
Hello, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, good. Sorry, I was
No, that's all right. I'm currently cleaning out my rat's toys and that. Well, I've got to go to Essex, so tomorrow. So, but I'd rather just get it packed up beforehand and then. Do you know what I mean? Sorry, I know that this water is probably really annoying for you. recording the whole thing as well. That is fucking hilarious. But these are all fixed. They are all washed. This is their little thing. Is that gonna fit? Yeah. Yeah. That fits. Doesn't it? Bye. Let's turn this car on. It's very hot for these boys. Right, on we go. Oh my goodness, there we have it. I've dropped off the rats. I was gonna film dropping them off and stuff, but I just wanted to have that moment with them. Oh my God, I'm gonna miss them so much, but I know their new owners are gonna look after them so well. I say new owners, but they're going to be looked after, and I'm very, 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 very happy where they are. And yeah, oh my God, Stormzy and Nibbles. Can I get sweet and sour, please? Oh. Oh, is that all done? Is there straws in there? Oh, thank you. Good morning, everyone. We are now about to take all my boxes that I used for the kids' parties back to Essex, nearly 2 hours away. It's going to be a long journey. My car is packed up. I'm not even going to open it because I'm so scared. But my car is packed up so much. I still have more things to put in there. I don't think it's going to happen. To be honest, I don't even think I can fit in there. I'll show you how fucking much stuff I have. Okay, that's just the front seat alone. Oh. This is the back. All these kids' props. So I do have a little bit of space left. I don't even know where I'm going to put this camera, to be honest. But yeah, we are... Oh God, I don't even know. Like, once it's gone, it's gone. And here's the final product. I'm scared. You're like, what are you doing? Well, the good news is I dropped off all my boxes. No problems there. The bad news is I'm now stuck at the place where I dropped my boxes off because either my gearbox or clutch has like decided to die on me. And I'm in Essex and I'm really far away and I'm going to sell this car and this is going to be part of my my finance. And now it's decided to die on me. But if anyone wants to buy a car, I'm your gal, you know?
I'm lost for words.
Mate, like, I don't think I can come to the Philippines. It's got to that point. It's got to that point where I'm ending up having to put more money in than I can take out with me. Like, the only option I have now is to basically get this fixed and sell the car and hope that that's enough to get me by. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Ah!